Yo, what is good, YouTube? It is your boy. I'm back with another video. Today we are heading over to a car meet. Got my dad in the 3.2 BR6 TT, and I got my brother in the Mark 7.5. So we're gonna go see if we can go find some good cars, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. It's gonna be a chill video. We're gonna see some cool cars, so let's get into it. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad. I eventually will get external mics. I'll throw it on the back so you guys can hear the exhaust while I drive, just so I have better quality, better audio quality, all that. But let me know in the comments so I can do some other videos and stuff like that. I'm trying to figure out other things to do. Just let me know what you guys want to see. Some maintenance coming up with this car, so we got an R8 right there. I do have some maintenance coming up with this car. My brake booster is needing to be replaced, and I have to put in my new axle. Well, it's not necessarily new. I had to get it rebuilt, so I have that new rebuilt one I gotta throw in now, and that's pretty much it. And then I gotta do some other things. Probably, hopefully in the next like couple months, maybe 4 months or so, I want to get tuned with the full exhaust and start doing some interior stuff. Actually get this car where I want it. It's hosted by all the Euro people who have like Euro cars and all that, so I like to go to those meets just because I obviously drive a Volkswagen, and everybody in my family basically drives a Volkswagen. Hopefully next year or the next 2 years I'll be able to go to the Wookiees in the Woods or something. That's like my objective. I want to get suspension work done with this car, and probably smaller wheels, thicker tires. Hold on, gotta catch up to him now. Is always so loud. Go ahead, buddy. Also, another thing I need badly, I need an alignment. But I want to get the suspension stuff done before I get another alignment, because I think what messed it up, I had my old wheels that I was running, I went lower after I went with the alignment, and that messed up everything. So I have to get that all figured out. But your boy ain't trying to buy no alignment right now. I will say I am getting a new job. That's also going to be able to pull out some more content. I think you guys would enjoy that. It does have to do stuff with cars and Volkswagen, so come on, man. I could have went, bro. This is why I don't like driving here. All this traffic. Like, dang, bro. Doing some sort of construction. I really want to get a different mic so the GoPro mic doesn't get winded so much. Oh, Mr. Miyagi broke down. Dang, bro. I did not make it. Got a little 3 Series wagon, right? 3 Series? I think so. What is it? E46. He's going crazy over there. Got a Ferrari right here. My water. Yo, is this guy low or something? Nah, his shocks definitely are like out. Hopefully y'all can see good. I forgot my hat clip, the one I usually put on my hat, but hopefully this will still be a good POV. Damn, I wish I look-y had more car friends, bro, for real. Like, I can't be the only one. Like, if you make some friends that like have cars and stuff, like they just make their car their personality and that's all they do. Like they be weird in my opinion. It's just like, dang. See, I want a car friend that's like, he likes cars, they're into cars, but also is into other things, you know what I'm saying? Cause like, cars isn't the only thing that I like, you know what I'm saying? I like to do other things. But sometimes you just can't get both, bro. Alright, you guys, we just made it to the car meet. Posted up now. Take a look around all the cars. Got some Euro cars here, pretty cool ones. M5 right here. Golf R. Little Land Rover. S5 Vert. Check the interior on this. Super clean. It's crazy March 6 Golf R.
Every city's bad nowadays, right? But I mean, sometimes
pretty nice. Another Golf R right here. Clean Jetta, nice seats. The one, Passat, I think.
So I'll probably hit a Vega and have them do the tip on the S4 because this is old, 35.
Hey, how much you paid for your ticket?
It's old. It's old.
TVs on there. Oh, this thing is pretty nice. This thing rips for sure. Let's come over here. We got a McLaren. Pretty sick. I like this color on here. It has those brakes. Nice McLaren. Got an M5 comp.
Remember how you said you only got 25 back? Really? Was this part of the kit when you got pancake, or you had to go find?
Big old wheels, big old brakes.
Yeah.
We should get one of these one day.
Pretty fun to drive with.
Yeah. Need me one of these. Road trip van. Yo, what's good, boys? We out now. Doing some cruising. I got a McLaren behind me right now. Got a pretty decent group of people actually. So careful, man. Not trying to rear end nobody. Actually. Damn, we got caught at the light. Everybody's too low, that big old dip over there. We made it. We got some olds, we got some classics. Alright, y'all, we just made it to the second meetup spot. I think this is the final meet. Hopefully we got some more people coming in. But if you guys are liking the video so far, make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, get more videos like this. But yeah. What's going on, everybody? Thank you for stopping into the video. I just forgot to film an outro. If you guys made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe. I'm gonna try to get some more videos like this, just in general. And I just want to thank you guys for the support and everything you guys are doing for me. Thank you.